it's Harry here from Sydney College of the Arts in Screen Arts, and today I'm quickly going to be showing you how to work within Premiere Pro and Audition. So there is an amazing sort of interlocking between these two programs where you can edit audio files that live within Premiere Pro and you can edit them with Audition. So there are only, Premiere Pro has limited sort of audio effects and sort of different restoration tools that you can use, where Audition has sort of a larger breadth of tools. And so you've got to have Audition downloaded, obviously. But if you can click Control and do a right click on one of your audio clips, whatever one that you want to sort of edit within Adobe Audition, and then you click Edit Clip in Adobe Audition. So this will sort of render and replace the clip. It might take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on how big the clip is. So now that's gone, and now it's opening up Adobe Audition. Okay, cool. So now we've got our selected clip within Adobe Audition. So this is a great way to sort of get a little bit more precise in what you're wanting to achieve. Within Adobe Audition, there are quite a lot of different sort of diagnostics and noise reduction effects, better reverbs, better stereo imagery. There are lots of sort of VSTs and audio plugins that you can use, compressions. A lot of the stuff in here also doubles over in Premiere Pro, but they have an abundance of different effects. And what's great about Adobe Audition is if they have an amazing noise restoration effect that you can use. So if you want to take any noise out of a clip that you may not want in there, let's say here's the noise that I want to get rid of. So I capture that, and then I click Effects, and I click Noise Effects, and then I go Capture Noise Print. Then I go back to Noise Reduction and go to Noise Reduction Process. Then I select the entire file, and I click Apply. And what happens there is it takes that and it applies it along to the entire clip, and it takes that frequency out of your clip. So that's really important if you've got any sort of unwanted noise in dialogue or anything like that. Great, so this was just to show you how to work between Premiere Pro and Audition and looking at that little noise restoration tool. Thanks, see you later.